Alright, all done with the shade? Boom. Looks tight, looks good. Put a new bar up right there, slide. These guys are working on the backside, and we're going to be concreting later.
Where's the rear view mirror in that thing?
Shades look nice, huh? It's coming together.
The big one or the smaller one? The big one. Yeah, they're right there.
It's all good.
There we go.
Alright, I'm gonna bring you the hardware we need right now, Ron. Need 2 of these. Where's my long bolts? Are they up here? Hang on, I gotta go back down, find some.